Hello everyone and welcome. So today we're going to learn Scratch for beginners. Scratch is a free programming language and online community where you can create your own interactive stories, games and animations. So to begin, I'm going to open Scratch. Then I'm going to change the language to English. So as you can see on the screen, we have this cat. So this cat is called Sprite. We can remove it and choose another sprite, and also we can add more sprites. So now I'm going to remove it and I'm going to choose a sprite. So as you can see, there are many sprites, but I'm looking for a frog, so I'm going to search on it. So I'm going to choose this one. I think that this frog is too big, so I'm going to change the size to maybe 50, like this. Then I'm going to select a background. So also there are many backgrounds, but I'm going to search for a forest, this one, like this. So I'm going to change the direction of my frog to the other side. So I'm going to go to costumes and flip horizontal. Also I'm going to do the same thing to the other ones, frog B and frog C. And now I'm going to make the frog move. So when we begin, we always select this one. When the green flag is clicked, we always select it when we begin. Then we go to control and we select forever. So I'm going to look now, switch costume to frog A. Then we go to control, wait for 0.1 second, and then I'm going to duplicate it, and here frog B. So what I did is that I switched costume from frog A to frog B. So it's going like this, and the time was 0.1 second. So as you can see, my frog is animated now. So now we're going to do a conversation between two persons. So I'm going to remove all of this, also my frog, and I'm going to choose a new background. So I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to choose two sprites. So Happy, I'm going to put her here, and character 2. So I'm going to change the size to 80, like this, and I'm going to change the direction by going to costumes and flip horizontal, like this. So now I'm going to make the character 2 go to Happy. So always when we start, we go to events and we select when the green flag is clicked. Then I'm going to motion and I'm going to select this one. Now I'm going to put my second character here, where she is going to communicate with Happy, and I'm going to select this one. So as you can see, the characters 2 is animated now. So I'm going to make her say to Appy hello for 2 seconds. So I'm going to put hello. I'm going to change it to hi Appy. It's just an example. And then to make sure that the Appy receives the message, we broadcast the message. So we go here, broadcast message 1. So we click on message 1, we write new message, and we write the message that we want Appy to receive, which is hi Appy. Then we go to Appy, and when Appy is going to receive hi Appy, we go to looks, and she is going to say hi. For example, we're going to name her Iman for 2 seconds. Then we broadcast the message. So we always broadcast the message that we want the other character to receive. So we write new message and hi Iman. Then we go to character 2, and when the character 2 is going to receive hi Iman, we go to looks, and she is going to say, for example, how are you? So how are you for 3 seconds maybe. Then we broadcast the message, which is how are you. So here new message, and write how are you. So I forgot like this. So we going to see it from the beginning. Like this. So it's just an example. Then you can continue your conversation. So that's all for this video. So we can here name our project. So I'm going to name it, for example, Appy and Iman. Then we file it. So save to your computer. And Appy and Iman, like this. So that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's all. Bye.